I got you. I got him.
See, I told you he doesn't weigh nothing. Mikey and Aaron are out here swimming with the kiddos.
Whoa! Oh, I didn't know you could do that. Hey, Coda, do one of these, like this, when you grab your legs and flip fast.
We gotta go down here.
Try that.
Alex, stop trying to hit them when they're jumping.
No bounce either.
Good job.
You can't get any bounce because you only weighs 30 pounds.
The diving board's not springy enough. Need to add a little
Nice
spring
job.
to it. Ooh. Like that.
Yeah! He's a maniac.
Okay.
Wait, I was gonna go first. He stole my turn. Yeah, awesome. Okay, so we can try.
Wait, we're not focused.
You should just always be recording.
Stay up, we're not focused. It's on plant mode and it won't unfocus. I gotta look at Kenzie or something. Refocus, stupid thing.
Get to the deep end. Quick.
Now you have footage of me going, come on, focus, stupid thing.
Big long guy.
Okay, I'm ready now.
It's so funny. It's not
All
funny.
that water's getting inside of him.
He farted on my hand. Dive?
Dive. Dive, dive,
Oh
dive.
my god.
This is a good idea. I know it is.
That's a good idea.
He's like, be quick.
Okay, look, Kenzie, hurry. They're gonna do something. Kenzie, move, please.
Ready, set, deploy.
Oh my god.
Double cannonball.
Hold on to it. I got you.
I'm doing so much water.
I got you. What is Mike doing? What is he gonna do? Oh, what's he gonna do?
He's wearing them as a necktie.
What should I do?
Look at how dark Coda is.
It's just how white Mike is.
Dragon Rose. He's so squirmy.
You see Coda in the air.
This is a great idea.
Huh?
Oh!